Good morning, students. In the previous class, I told you up to exercise 2.3, first problem. So in that Roman, you have to do two problems. So second one, find the remainder. Second, third, 4, 5, 6. These 5 problems I will tell you in this class. Find the remainder when x cube. Find the remainder when x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p is divided by x minus p. So you have to find the remainder when x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p is divided by x minus p. So by using remainder theorem, so first you have to assume this as any polynomial let p of x equal to. It is a polynomial having one variable x. That's why I am assuming p of x equal to x cube minus px square plus 6x minus p. So by remainder theorem, p of x is divided by x minus p, then the remainder is p of p. సో ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ సేమ్ వేరియబుల్స్ ఇలా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు అనుకుంటే దీన్ని f of x అంటాం. p of p ఈక్వల్ టు p cube minus p into p square plus 6 into p minus p. So p cube minus p into p square, p cube plus 6p minus p plus p cube minus p cube cancel, 6p minus p, 5p. So 5p is the remainder. So this is the remainder. Next, third one, find the remainder when 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is divisible by x minus 3. Find the remainder when 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is divided by 2x minus 3. Does it exactly divides the polynomial given here? So here you have to find the remainder and you have to check whether that linear polynomial exactly divides the given polynomial. That means what? Whenever you are finding the remainder, if the remainder is 0, then that is that exactly divides this polynomial. Suppose if you are getting other than 0 remainder, then this polynomial not exactly divisible by 2x minus 3. So let f of x equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 5. So by remainder theorem, f of x is divided by 2x minus 3, then the remainder is f of 3 by 2. Now you have to find f of 3 by 2. If f of 3 by 2 equal to 0, this 2x minus 3 exactly divides f of x. So f of 3 by 2 equal to 2 into 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 into 3 by 2 plus 5. 3 by 2 whole square. 3 by 2 whole square is 9 by 4 minus 9 by 2 plus 5. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 plus 5. You will get 5. So here remainder is 5. So that you have to write the reason. Here f of 3 by 2 equal to 5, which is not equal to 0. Therefore 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is not exactly divisible by 2x minus 3. So why? Because if the remainder is 0, then this polynomial is exactly divisible by 2x minus 3. Here we are getting remainder is 5, that's why it is not exactly divisible by 2x minus 3. Next, fourth one, find the remainder. So fourth one you have to do. What is fourth problem? Find the remainder when 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5 is divisible by x minus 2 by 3. If f of x is divided by x minus 2 by 3, then what is the remainder we have? F of 2 by 3. So here you have to assume given polynomial as f of x equal to 9x cube minus 3x square plus x minus 5. You have to find f of 2 by 3. So that problem you have to do. Now fifth problem. If the polynomials 2x cube, if the polynomials 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 and x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a leaves the same remainder when divided by x minus 2. Find the value of a. They gave two polynomials. If those two polynomials are divisible by x minus 2, they will get the same remainder, then you will find the value of a. So you have to assume that those two polynomials as f of x and g of x. Let f of x equal to 2x cube plus ax square plus 3x minus 5 and g of x equal to x cube plus x square minus 4x plus a. Given f of x, if f of x is divisible by x minus 2, then the remainder is, what is the remainder you have? F of 2. Similarly, if g of x is divided by x minus 2, then the remainder is g of 2. Given if these two polynomials divisible by x minus 2, remainders are same. So what are the remainders here? F of 2, g of 2. So given f of 2 equal to g of 2. Now you have to find value a. So f of 2 means 2 into 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 5 equal to g of 2, 2 cube plus 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus a. 2 into 2 cube, 2 into 8 plus 4a plus 6 minus 5 equal to 8 plus 4 minus 8 plus a. So plus 8 minus 8 cancel. 2 into 8. 16 plus 4a. 6 minus 5 is 1 equal to 4 plus a. 16 plus 1 17. 4a plus 17 equal to 4 plus a. Transposing a this side. 4a equal to 4a minus a equal to 4 minus 17. So 3a equal to minus 14. 17 minus 14, 4, 13. A equal to minus 13 by 3. So they gave two polynomials. Those two polynomials are, when you are dividing those two polynomials with x minus 2, then the remainders are same. So we are assuming those two polynomials as f of x and g of x. If f of x is divisible by x minus 2, then the remainder is f of 2. G of x is divisible by x minus 2, remainder is g of 2. Given these two remainders are same, so 2 into 2 cube, when you are substituting those values here, we are getting a value as minus 13 by 3. So we are finding the value of a. So in this way you can do fifth problem. Next, sixth problem. If the polynomials are divided by x plus 2 leaves the same remainder, find the value of a. So this one also same as fifth one. If the polynomials x cube plus ax square plus 5, x cube plus ax square plus 5, and x cube minus 2x square plus a, x cube minus 2x square plus a are divisible, divided by x plus 2, divided by x plus 2 leaves the same remainder find the value of a. Find the value of a. So this one also you have to do in the same as fifth problem. So first you have to assume two polynomials as f of x and g of x. F of x equal to x cube plus ax square plus 5. G of x equal to x cube minus 2x square plus a. If f of x is divided by x minus a, sorry, here they give x plus 2, then the remainder is f of minus 2. Similarly, g of x is divided by x plus 2, remainder is g of minus 2. What is they give? When you are dividing both polynomials with x plus 2, remainders are same. So what are the remainders here? F of minus 2 equal to g of minus 2. F of minus 2. Minus 2 whole cube plus a into minus 2 whole square plus 5 equal to minus 2 whole cube minus 2 into minus 2 whole square plus 8. Minus 2 whole cube cancel. A into minus 2 whole square, a into 4 plus 5 equal to 2 into minus 2 whole square is 4 plus a. So 4a plus 5 equal to 8 plus a. Transposing a this side, 4a minus a equal to 8 minus 5. So 4a minus 8, 3a equal to 8 minus 5 is 3. A equal to 3 by 3. So a equal to 1. So when a equal to 1, what do you get? 4 plus 5, 9 equal to 2 into 4 plus 1, 9. When you are substituting here, what you will get? In place of a, when you are substituting 1, 4 plus 5, 9. Here 1 means 8 plus 1, 9. Both remainders are same or not? Therefore, A value is 1. So in this way you can do sixth problem. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these 5 problems are completed. Among these, fourth problem you have to do. The remaining 7, 8 problems we will do in the next session. Okay, thank you.